wash my hands. Good morning. I lose so much weight already that you could see the flaps in my legs. You all talk about getting fat. Look, you can't see the flap them from eating all that fruit and vegetable. You can't see the, my leg. Look, but you can't see them. Look, see the lump them there. So I thought, what's up, may I get fat? See there? Look at so. That's why I'm losing a lot of weight. Right? So now come on, say, may I get too big? I'm not getting big at all. My belly gone on a lot more. See there? A lot more. So don't say that's it. Natural belly, no belly band, nothing. Right? When we eat, sometimes it goes out. You know, depends on how much I put inside. You gotta stretch. You know, it's a bag. Good afternoon. How is your beautiful afternoon? I know colors always bring me out. I don't know, something with colors in me always looks so beautiful. You notice? Yes. Good afternoon. So when I can't design a hairstyle, so I have nothing to say, right? Nothing at all, nothing to say. I forgot to cut the hair out of my nose, but guess what? Hello. Good afternoon, loved ones. How you doing? I love you too. God bless you. Call me. Call you for what? Who is to call me? Call me if you need me. Go to 347-469-3874. All I have is a little bit of overnight food here. I'm not happy. But I said to myself, I don't feel like eating a food right now again. So I said to myself, maybe sometimes I say that and I end up cooking, but I need to stop cooking for a couple of days. You know, I need to just eat mangoes and orange and apples for a couple of days. You know, just some raw food, you know. If you want to eat salad, meat salad, that is fine, but just raw, nothing cooked for a couple of days. This is the last I had from leftover. I'm not supposed to eat no leftover food because leftover food don't go good in my stomach sometimes. Make me feel sick, you know, if I eat leftovers. And I think this is just greediness. You know, I don't know if I should eat it or I should not eat it. You know. Just go with one mind, so don't eat it. I'm not supposed to eat overnight food. One mind, so don't eat it out of it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. I'm just tired of the fish, I guess. My body said don't eat it. I'm not gonna eat it. Spirit tell me too much time, don't eat it. Don't eat it, don't eat it. I'm not gonna eat it. Okay, I'm not gonna eat it. I'm not gonna eat it. Yeah. Ay, ay, ay. Yes, God is great. I come here today to just talk a little bit about my ladies' friend and my goodies, and I love you guys. How your family going? Big up London. Big up Jamaica. Big up Toronto. Guyana. Grenada. Trinidad and Tobago. Florida. Puerto Rico. Brazil. Honduras. Africa. Nigeria, Liberia, Ghana. And all those places. Oh. Europe. Big up yourself, Europe. Always in the house. Chicago. Big up yourself. Connecticut, New Jersey, Queens, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Arizona, Dallas, Texas, and all them places there. Cayman Island, and all those places. Look up on yourself. Can't put in stuff in the body I reject. You know, overnight food full of the breed of parasite and sitting still. And that is why a lot of men doesn't get an erection anymore, because they drink too much liquor and they eat too much fast food. Kill their nature. Yeah. They have marital problem with their wife. And they won't give up the stew pork. They're getting prostate cancer. They won't give up the stew pork and the pork chops and the jerk pork. They won't give it up. They won't. A lot of those bushmen that you see that have jerk pork, they usually know a lot about bushes to drink to cure themselves when they have a problem. But some of these people don't have anything to cure themselves. And they go and eat this big thing of KFC, this big thing of jerk pork, and, you know, full up of grease and drinking this whole up of beer, and they party and having a good time, you know, and they think it's something great they're doing. Not realizing that they're giving themselves prostate cancer, and later on they have marital problem because they cannot get up to please their wife. Some of them get a shock of their lifetime sometime when they was able to get up. They get very frightened. And they didn't believe they could ever get up again in their life. So that happened to me. I have an ex-boyfriend once. I tried to help him and put him on some pills, into juice. And once he could get up, he left me, went to get a girl. He's like, oh my God. He went out of his brain. When I started searching his house, I was finding all these, you know, pills like it was a doctor's office. He was buying it so much at this time to supply my own self. He didn't need me anymore. You can go ahead and find the next girl now because I done dock time up already. He was ready to go like a bull. That's how it goes. You give them salad. You give them fruits. You see, some of these men have lazy women that don't like to cook. And some of these women, they keep having children without educating what kind of food goes in their body and what goes in the children's plate. They just keep having kids. They don't care about that. When the kid is very fat, the mama is very fat. You know, they're eating from one pot. You look at the husband, he's very fat. You're like, somebody can't correct nobody. When you're having kids, you should start thinking about what nutrition you put in the children's body, what you put on the plate. Stop going and buying this old bunch of pork chops. You ain't got no more pork chop left. You all got the food stamp, you're going to load up. It's a whole bunch of beef and chicken and pork like it's Christmas. You all happy when you all got the food stamp. Y'all children is over fat. Everybody making mackerel the damn child. Sometimes the child started to look like a frog shape. It's not funny. Honey, I don't care what you want to say. I know you're going to say you look like a frog face, but that's okay. That's the fact. Y'all don't watch what they put in the plate. Y'all go to Chinese, you say, go buy 2 dozen wings. You lay them out on the plate. Paper plates, because y'all don't wash your plate. Most of y'all don't wash your plates. Roaches take them over in the kitchen. When y'all ready to feed y'all damn kids, y'all call the Chinese man. Hello? Hi. Is this John? Because I want you to call John in the name, you know, I call him for other my food too. Oh, Smelly, that's you. Because you know I spend a lot of money for your rat food. You know you're not going to know my name is Smelly. And how come when you smell it, damn rat fried up? I tell you, he's so proud when I call him. And then you make these people feel like there was somebody great with respect when you call him. Because you don't want him to spit in your food. But the reality is, that's the seasoning to your food. You have to. You know. Yeah. Right, good? Right. I love it too. See, when I eat food, it makes me things better than the rotten food. It makes me things so, it makes me feel so good. There's always something else to life, you know. Spread food out on the plate. Why teacher get 6 wings? Ma, why teacher one got 6 wings? Because teacher save her money. And she put $5 toward the bill. So she got more wings because she buy extra wing for herself. Everybody fat. But time, when you look at yourself and know that you're like really obese at this point, hardly can walk, and your shoes started to disappear off your feet. That happened to me once. Trust me, it wasn't pretty. All my soul was gone from my damn shoes. When you get too big, your shoes can't fit no more. The shoes spread right out. Start look like you have an elephant feet. The shoes started trying to fit the feet, started to get round, they bust out. All of them stay on the side. Sometimes the poor shoes is dying, just squeak and it turn to the side and it's just like, you know, nothing left of the shoes. Squeeze your shoes out. And no matter how dressed or nice you look, the shoes is always dying. Oh, yeah. Tell me about it, sister. So, so, you know, a lot of Spanish people like to buy pork chops. You got pork chops, man. They can't live pork chops, everyday pork chops. I know this one guy, he used to live right down there by the Botanical Garden. He was Spanish in the basement. He had a girl. And there was a Spanish guy used to like me named Tony. He used to love me off. And me and Tony used to be friends. Tony carried me there. I introduced me as his brother. And brother girlfriend. I'm weaving them up. So, every day the girl did make pork chops. Every single day. She's Spanish. I bought big like this. Big puta. Big puta. Eh? Puta. Big puta. Eh? Big. Grande. Culo. Grande. Big culo. Yeah. Yeah. Culo grande, man. Culo grande. Yeah. A culo man, but you know, grande mean big, you know, culo. Big culo. Grande, grande, big grande. Grande. Yeah, culo grande. Yeah, culo grande. See. Bonita. Mucho caliente. Mucho caliente. Grande culo. Oh, you perfect. Perfect grande culo. Who is inside? Hey, you man, what you doing inside the culo? You come on out, man. You come on, man. What are you doing inside it? You look inside, say, oh, no. Nobody go for my culo. Nobody. My culo small culo. Culo tight, small. You go, okay, mommy. Bonita. Mucho caliente, bonita. Then I don't no problem. Me nice guy. You go, you say, whoop. What, mamita? Why you culo? Grande. You say culo, smally culo, you culo, big grande culo, mama. Why, mama? Why you grande? Why you grande culo? You culo grande, mama. Why, mama grande culo? Ay, grande. You see to the grande, mama. The grande, the culo. Who's inside the culo? How many people inside culo? How many people inside is grande? How many? Come on out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey! Mommy, go. Grande. Too much grande. Too much culo grande. So, if I don't speak Spanish, you wouldn't understand what I say, but it's very funny. Right. You know, when I used to be in them strip joints, I didn't just learn to dance and shit. I didn't just speak Spanish so I could ask them my money. I'm not stupid. You know, Jamaicans gotta speak Spanish and speak every language and go anywhere them go. Because if you understand, we get our money. So, when I time I speak like a Polish talk, I kind of forget now. When China used to come, one time a Chinese man coming in bumpy. And his skin look like for the blood with grenade. He got a strip down. Skin rough, brother. Pass my my friends, I said, go and drop down for them. Now I drop down to the kin too rough. So I told my control, I feel like sandpaper. I said, I wouldn't kin rough like that. Like myself has some major disease. You're taking go lap dance for them, not me, my love. And this is the way of perfume look like you can't come right in clothes and catch you. It's good enough. I'm going to see it left. Yeah. I love life. Life is beautiful. So don't come mess with me, man. I love life. You realize, you know, somebody says you got a face on somebody in the wall, and you know, I take it seriously because I turn off and see the face was still on the wall for like 2 days. When I go back, I see the face is gone. So I say it's not the lighting. Can we put the light the same way it was all the time? It's not there. I don't know if it come back now, but it wasn't there no more. It gone. When I see it, it gone. You know, but I don't feel afraid or anything. The simple fact that just something that I believe that in life, after life, you never died. So, I mean, if people want to show up and talk to me, I go talk to them, and sometimes I talk to them and I don't see them. Because the simple fact that all people can trick your mind into be afraid of spirit. And have you be afraid of spirit when spirit can bring you money, when spirit can bring you help, when spirit can get rid of bad spirit, people are trying to put upon you. Your own people my past and dead can help you out. So why should I run them out? Why should I run them out? When nobody not bother me, not do me nothing. I still make money to make money, me everything I go good with me. So the spirit is here, gotta be a good spirit, it can't be a bad spirit. You see, because all the things like the spirits that they say, no, say most of them government people are sitting there and use a lot of spirit. So then dead some of them trap a spirit and use a spirit. When I sell a soul, and use it for different things. Cell phone can ring in the way you want to ring it. Magician do all kind of sitting with spirit. A spirit makes certain things that go on the road. The spirit for the work. Like for work and do certain things. So I said to myself, so boy, if I can't tell a spirit, so listen, I need some money. Call upon some people, I did and tell them, so listen, I need some money, I need this and that and care that can give me. I run them. You're surprised. You'll be so surprised. Sometimes they come through the wall, yes, because life and death is the same. Like you just want to die, you just step through a wall and gone. It's just the same. You're gone right over. Someone will be afraid of that. You know, my friend, energy around them all, you can't provide, you can't prosper with them. Why the entity left them? You talk with them, you don't see them. Come and talk with people, I don't see all the while in here. I say this is for the ones I can't see. That's what I say. What happened? So back to the conversation. I'm free to live. When you die, you step right over. Live a life and enjoy life in this life. Don't make the things of this life bring you down. Don't make it suffer and put you in hell while you're living. You flip on hell when you're living. You think you're living in heaven, but you're living in hell. You can't make hell for yourself right on this earth. Right on this earth, because sugar daddy used to give me hell. Boy, I tell you, I would never stop talking about him, you know. And you talk to him for like a couple of years to get you from the amount of things. Because sometimes my brain so damaged with him, I can't remember so many things, so until he just come back to me again and hit me. Sometimes I smile, listen. Put a big smile on my face. Big smile to myself. The other day I went and pick up one two little pants and two little blouse. And believe me, so I come back. I have a big smile on my face. Because I say, when sugar daddy used to give me a little money, I used to go and buy a certain thing. And I give me when I buy a certain thing, say done, you know, I can't buy nothing much. Right? And whatever I need it for, I tell him to give you something else, because I can't tell him that I want it for. Because I give it. Huh? After you so then become no. So while you are talking into you, take as much as you can get. Because when you get used to you, then go and treat you like someone and live a house with them can and can this and can that, you know? I'm going to tell you something. I have a big smile walking to all the subway. I was so happy in my heart. When I go down and start to board the train, I feel so good in my heart. My heart now beat fast. I now fret and stress like the boy. I really need this now. I get the money, I go buy it, you know, because I really need it. But I now have more money to go buy my food for eat, for serve me till a certain amount of time. I now have money for serve me till a certain amount of time. I'm just go buy the outfit to this, so I don't know where I go get money from. For eat now and the so and so come on, look at the outfit, you know. I go student is sitting, I'm one look at sitting. Yeah, make celebrity out of nothing. You know, so you have to try. So, you know, but you try. You have fret, you know. Because by the time I call from man already, you know. I must say, where you there? I have him say, boy, I'm going to buy bleaching cream and sitting something in for sell. I thought you don't have some bleaching cream and sitting already for sell, but things kind of slow and you have to go somewhere you want the outfit. Either if you got at the radio station or this, what I forgot to show the time, whatever. I'm still going to make Israel. I'm like, where there? Where are you? And listen, you know, you see that money I give you there? Nothing now going too tough now, you know. And I had some money saved because I trying to buy my house and some things I buy, you know. So here what happen? You when we give you there and think and see one because why I see you, I was napping, you know. I was napping, I see you. Huh? I don't feel good the way you deal with me, you know, cold against me like, you know. And thing. And in chat, if you don't want to hear me, and I try to cuss you. And by the time I get a chance, I hang up the phone, him done getting mad already, and aggravated here. And you walk out to buy 2 cups of old broke when money couldn't buy, I can't buy nothing good. And then now, when you're coming back now, that's the time depression hit you because you say, boy, the money done. You get the 2 cups of sitting there, you can change and wash. But when you are going to eat the next couple of days, you might have food for today. And tomorrow, you can smoke one because if you can't do nothing at all, because you don't have no money. And remember that nigga that you live in the house, he's not going to give you anything. You have a woman out the door, and you have a girl in there with her son, he's not going to give you. Because when you start bills paying you go have to walk me your leg to him because you live in the man place. Or you go have to come over. And you go aggravate and start take off the window like what my man do me so they will. Take off the lock off of the door. When you get mad, I get nothing. When I come home, I come find my clothes in the kitchen and all the door lock change, or dig out, and no more lock on the pan there. No lock, that's the empty hole. Kind of one police car and say lock up, the police says that's a problem, we lock you up. If I then tell him that, him say, alright, then I go lock you out. He want to take out the lock out of the door completely and dig out the hole, left it. Anybody can walk in and out and if I gonna work. Huh? I don't know why you sleep on them bed. Spread out on the whole bed and walk up your foot on your hand them. So you don't lay down on the sleep. I don't walk up your foot on and say, babes, move over now. Move away. Move away. This is your place, you're playing right here. This is your bed. I know this is your place. Where come telling me move over for? Girl, listen now. This ain't your place here. Go and find your place. You have man and them outside. You understand? Look, they come from work. You're not even home. So you're coming back this morning. I left you broke. You didn't have no money this morning. Now I come back. You just come back. You buy Listerine. You buy whitening for your teeth. All kind of sit and pack up from $1 a day. You buy big food and you got smoke. This morning I left. You didn't have anything. And you ain't got no job money sitting where you sell. Right? And I'm not saying that I'm not something you're selling now. I'm not saying that I'm something you sell or you sell, but knowing you, are the damn freaking dirty old man you go fucking deal with. Me answer. The wet sin is the wet sin, you know what I mean? We gotta can't ask to forgive your sin. Can't argue with nobody. And so, time gotta wind up, you know. Music will load up him. was close to death. But anyway, I made it through. Hallelujah, somebody. Damn. I can fly them with the same. Yeah, so sugar daddy Obi wanna choke me. Obi wanna choke me, sugar daddy enough talk at all, boy. Enough talk at all, you nasty scut. Hey, boy, no. But no, man. I got that part, I'm going to kill him, man. My man gonna go. I'm going to get my $2. Let me put in this, because if you tell me, say I lie, I tell me if I can't go show him. My $2 can't go down the drain. The woman, one man got no good. I'm not going to lie. I'm not good. Ah, damn it. Bad lucky. I'm so unlucky like a dumpy. Oh, you got an ugly bitch, you know you and Chucky. Jacqueline Bridge, me say, please go and ducky. Go and ducky. Every man funny dirty girl body them a walkie. Dirty girl ugly like your mama named Chucky. They want me to spoil my lash. They want to collect my cash. Who is talking donate for all the vetty smelling? No, only me for the cash. No other cash for the evil to stash. Oh, then dopey. Then I want to walk it. Mine it dirty and your mind it smoky. Man smoky. I'm going to $8 blows look good though. $8. Not bad. And I'm about to $8 touch and a Brooklyn I sell a few $20 for my blows, yeah. Go up on Jamaica Avenue, $8. Okay, I'm $10 upon $8 blows. I owe that to you. Let's go on here, cause guess what? Yeah, $8. When the Brooklyn take man put in a store and charge $40 for them because they like a sleeve there, so you know like a sleeve sitting here wear the sleeve hang down. So children know say I wear them damn thief. They go to the store and want $40 like a so used to sell. $40, $38, or $29. No, sir. My store right down the on Jamaica Avenue, $8, $8, $6 for some of them. No, sir. Look how you look good in here. Look at $10 pants. They could never guess here $8 for the blouse and $10 for the pants. Who could I guess? Who could I guess? And what about the wrinkle? Let me still hot. About the wrinkle on the leg, I try to just work out and smooth it and then I try to lose the fat from the fruits. Yes, my dear child. Me humble. We not watch no face like some of them like tumble. Yo, we not grumble. Faces to Macy's, who wanna chase it? Money in the place. Money in the catch like newspaper place. Look on the place and the money keep stashing. Cause we're selling good shit and the money keep cashing. Celebrity White almost done. And this man again. Hello. When I call me, I get to the Celebrity White. If you don't like on 24 hours, you get like just me all the cream from where here. I'm a dark I'm a cream for one night and for last night I get me never cream. I got on my bed. So you see I got the Celebrity White really nice. And so I'm gonna make some more. My phone make some more because it's going real fast and got a little bit left and you know if you have. So calling everybody who buy the Celebrity White and buy it over and over and over because they love it. They buy extra large, they buy large. They just love them. They buy small and then buy large. And just want to check it out and then buy more. They love it. Really, really good. Really, really good, y'all. It's powerful. You know? Yeah. What's her name came in the other day and she even buy some from me. An ex-lady that used to have an ear shop. Jennifer used to have a ear shop and she bought one. And that is not pure Celebrity White. That's made with some Celebrity White. And that's the carrot butter with the Celebrity White she gotten. And she already for the next morning. She said, you know, I already got the result already. I told her, I know that's how good it is, you know. So I make all different kind of cream. So you want it powerful, you get it powerful. But it costs a lot to make it, but I make it, you know. I don't use like one cream, I just use something to mix it. I buy all expensive stuff. The last time it come about over $1,100 all together. Everything I put in it cost over $1,100 to make the batch of cream. I'm gonna make it in a one, right? But it's not a whole bunch, like a whole. It wasn't like the whole bucket was full up to the top, just to the amount to match the medicine, to match the cream itself. So it even. So when it comes out very rich. It was looking more watery. But as you put it and you leave it, and the next day by it settle, in a couple of hours it foam up and then it becoming the cream that you need. Right away when you mix it, it's not gonna look like that. You see how the way I look when I make it. When I first back it up, it looks so watery, like I said, damn, it's so watery. But then after a while it's set, you know. Because I use good stuff. I don't use the kind of stuff that them thing. You see, I use good stuff. See, after it's set, this is what it becomes. See, it's set. And that's the same cream. See? It's not running out or anything. It's very nice. Very creamy. You can see how it is. Very rich. Very creamy. Very rich. You're buying cream like this, it'll cost you $200 just for this bottle. Because of the strength. That's why. $200 this will cost. I used to buy a cream. Small little thing fit in my hand for $250. I'm like, hell no. No. Look, because mine is way better. Watch it. It's rich. But it worth the money at the end of the day because it has good cream. Good quality stuff in it. You know what I mean? And that's what make it. It takes a lot of ingredients to make it. But it comes out good at the end of the day. And when you use it, you're going to know you use something good. So everybody that purchased one, they want another one and another one. Some say they want 2 more, some want 3. So all the big bucket of all this may mix there. It's just a couple pieces left. It's almost done. So call in and get your Celebrity White. Like I said, if I do this up for like 2 weeks, you would imagine, oh, me look, if me just do it every day. Because I only have time sometimes to really do it. You know, it's really, really nice. So call and get your Celebrity White. I also have the regular one, you know. I also have the regular ones. But you know, the Celebrity White is #1. So, because some people's skin is really hard to come, like really hard. And when you use the Celebrity White, you reach way out. Instead of use 1 cream or 2 cream to get to a shade, when you use the Celebrity White, right away you're going to get shade. You know, because some people sell cream, you buy the cream, and depends on what strength cream you're buying, what kind, how you want the cream. It takes a while to get what you want. Some people have a big patch of black on their skin, and they buy the cream, just 1 bottle of cream. And they use the bottle of cream and they complain, oh, my spot is not gone. And I'm saying, you know how long you have that spot on your body? It takes a while to cream, and then you see, look at this big burn that I have on my shoulder. You remember this burn, how big it is? Oh, this big black burn there, so man. You know, remember good. And I'm showing you guys, look how it takes time I melt down to small. You know, just come off. It reduce, and it go round, and it go round until now we come to 1 little spot. See there? And that's alone the photo of the burn right now. But one next one for my belly, the same thing was real black. And it's the same thing it's going. Take a little while. But if you're going to remove a spot on your skin, you're going to have to lighten your skin. You can't think that the spot going to come off your skin without just lightening your skin. You're going to have to lighten your skin until the spot is gone. And then you could slow down on your lightening after that. If you don't want to be that bright colored. But if you're going to remove your spot, you're going to have to go a lighter color to remove that black spot. Your whole entire skin. Because moving the lighter spot, the dark spot, and making it light, you're just going to end up with 1 patch, moving the dark, light. And the whole rest of your skin looking different. So you're still going to end up with a lighter patch. If it's not a darker patch, then it's going to be a lighter patch. So might as well just lighten the whole entire thing and remove what you want, and then you just go back to whatever color you want to reduce it back to. If you use a cream every day, a cream twice a week. You know? Twice a week or 1 time a week, depends on the color you want, after the spot gone. And keep your complexion, but you're going to have to go up if you want to get the mark off. You know, I have a big mark from here to here on my leg. From here to all the way here. A big slit on my leg. I move on the bed thing, just drop and split and open my leg. Big black mark. Right in the next side, to me first bad looking. I bend over at Van der Veer, and the steam eater steamy, and all my skin came off. So in it with a big black patch right there on my leg, and another big slight black mark right there. So big, me tell you. It look like when you get stitches, so it look big and open up. And if anybody rubbings, the whole thing look brown. You can't see the black mark no more, but you can see the scar that dented in the flesh, but you can't see the blackness. You can see the scar, but you can't see the blackness of it. So that's why everything become one and everything is great. You understand me? Yeah, man. Yeah. And so on. The rain is about to come down and I'm hungry. I don't know what else to eat. The rain is about to come down, y'all. I hear the thunder rolling. Seriously, the rain is already down. I think the rain is already down. Oh yeah, the rain is already down. Oh boy. And I was going outside and I gotta get something to eat. Oh boy. I'm hungry. I talk about I ain't gonna eat no food. I eat food for the next couple of days. I'm hungry, man. I need food. I don't know if I could survive. I need to eat right now too. I need food, my nigga. Hi. Hi, you said no speak English. You said no speak English, speak English. I have cream. If you want cream, you can get cream. I have cream. You want cream or you don't want trouble? You want cream? Huh? You want cream or not? I said you do it good, eh? Yes, me love it too. But me hungry though good in Dominica, I want something to eat. I'm starting to get miserable, but me alright. Gotta take my mind off the food stuff. They said food for me, huh? Oh, you like the hairstyle? No woman. Real Jamaican hairstyle, this I take life. I take life. Yeah, man, Sugar Daddy Road, man. Sugar Daddy Road. Bright himself. Bright. Them out order. Them want to come and dirty the mouth and take a cleaner and then wife. You can't show me if to me in your mouth. I can't look kiss, I come talk. But yes, my woman is supposed to can kiss me. Their mouth order. My woman can kiss what? The woman is in your house, you can't kiss. Their mouth order. You're looking for rubbing the wrong place and sinning yourself against God and humanity. I want to done no come make up nice. I get mad pan people. This one do me this. You know, I got that girl to you and I run to your friend, go call my name. I go to she, you know, and the girl can't give me kiss, you know. You know how long I been talking to she? Yes, and this and that. I know your friend, I tell your friend, your friend is a damn fool. And he's a damn hypocrite to no damn self. You understand me? Your friend can't tell you that, because that don't make no damn sense. What your friend I tell you? Nah, make no sense. Friend, we tell us about abstain yourself. And that your friend supposed to tell you. You know what, man? We doing this not right. Stop it, you know. You mean can't try use people girl pitney. You're a big old married man. No, go tell a sugar daddy that. You go tell him say right because I can't buy no 2 beer. But what about my Indian hair? It curl and it nice. And it not bother me. And see me the queen, me make sure put my crown on. No look good. Because look, I can't see some girls have my queen on social media. Me the queen. Me are the queen, baby. Me I take your crown. No that. Me are the queen. Look for my hairstyle. You just look good. Recognize it. You better recognize it before you lose it. God is the only one that in me choose. When you see me style and me well versatile, that left you confused. Me name Olivet Smelly, yo. Olivet Smelly, me name. You better hear me name, nobody think a game. Can me no catch man like you, want me no live in shame. No man bend me up to make me walk in a pain, now walk up lame. Money me I look because money and man can't tame. Girl you walk one, cause look me name your only frame. Them girl they attack, them a worry about me life when me a try survive. Nothing in a life me no get yet. But still the whole of them afraid, yes. Them a criticize me, but them life in a mess, yes. Some gal them a go on, them wanna walk on with flat chest. Them call it slippers breasts. I mean them want to contest, gal. You fi know say me good underneath there. Me say me sweet under sheet there, gal. Me know how to do it there. Man does a text and I call them a tweet there. Yo, some gal a take them me a fool me a eat them. Cause me laugh with them like me and them a friend. Then I realize the money when me get a spend. Yo, money fall off a tree. Just like a newspaper, you better hear me. When me blessing it a come, me a count it. Nobody can hold me money and later fake and found it. So when them attack, a sense me got. Jah inna me heart, the tune is me a rock. So when them a sit and attack with them big gap. When every man come lay out them big, you know that. See the rest, give them little cash. Girl a bend down and a run like a rat. Call bury me fi call for me cat. Pour them out and take them out of that. Some girl a go on in a contract down bridge. Cause them a sucky shot too much man them a keep. All the secret they tell them friend, but mine take the friend and the friend don't leak. That's why company me no mix up in a certain girl me no keep. Them have the same man them a rumble and that shit. That's why me pray to God because the gospel make me heart weak. Cause when me see how Satan use them, flush them out like a toilet seat. The man now make me walk back part of me a squeak. I lie them a tell cause me know me nah leak. Tight on the middle and me tight in between. Me a tell them like a 13. Me no worry about no girl them a life in a trouble. Mix up and coming like some old down broke down rubble. When them attack, they come in like a cookie in me and then crumble. Me no worry, me them go and sit down and grumble. Me work hard to get a pay there. So me no worry what a dirty girl I say. Me tell the devil to come out of me way. Why you want follow me coming like me need some cockroach spray? Spray them no way, get them all away. Yeah, me know. Some of them come in like a play gun. They come by your line with them big mouth like them big crutches fi come look attention. And man don't grind them out, then don't even get a pension. Them sit down for your name and you are the star they mention. You not sit to them afraid to over you every night, them I get the mention. Tell them no one always start, nobody end this. When some get one come talk like that want to trace. Tell them no, you want to trace, you're in the right place. Y'all say you stick underneath, you need a buckle chase. When me sit down right now, I talk about how some them man them a waste. Who no sit down and I talk about tell me you're not case. Y'all go brush your teeth and you need toothpaste. Talk about a dopey in your life, but a dopey you a face. Can't stop walk and catch man, and that a for your case. When you want to talk about me, I smoke centimeter about a crack you a less. Some girl know talk, no good underneath, to no wear out, no taste. Wanna still out the road, I catch man, and man not get no taste, but a man don't know what chase. Them a go and talk, but me no worry. Me sit down and I watch them a penny, me a penny. When some girls sit down by them knee, I suck just for penny. Forget a slice of bread, man, shit ain't not funny. Girl a come by your things, say me a Joe come from Jamaica, fi come act honey. Me have to make $1 in a this. Me no worry about you no coming like a silver ticks. I don't know what talk and I bark like a dog. Me a go get up and bark in a this. I want money. Money have to come, this a the big apple, me have to take a bite. When some girl a talk about them bend over, them smelling like shit, them not right. When them talk about me, Olivet, them want to give a fight. Them say Olivet team up with the pandy mic. Cause them out, girl, you been up till the big all roll up in your tribe. You want to talk about you are dopey, but you are dopey unite. Aye, we not worry about them when they come in a trouble. We say we hold, we not call, and we not come in like that, no all fall. Some girl secreted and none tall. And what them say? Some girls suckle like a sucker, but like a crutch hole. Every day them get up, them a complain, but to them door every man they all. Some girls are going like they're nice, but when they realize, oh, them man them old money, so now they walk around cold. Them heart don't soul. Go and go pay your bill, girl, before you get ill. Before other men send up, he come slap you down still. Nobody go like you want me get ill. When your business, you want me come spill. Yo, them a worry about me head, say me head not good. But the money I go come, and the peg still good. Some girl are worry about the head. Say the head no good, but the head it good. Listen now. When you got wisdom, man, you got sense. A man can't come put no pipe in your throat and drench. Like when goat need drench, them have worm off a drench. Some girl belly big out like it mama did. Eat bad weed, you hear what me said. When them come talk, them better drop dead. Cause everybody watch me from Z to Z. Hey girl, I coulda made you attack. You hungry just like the dog near Rex. Where you come pan, you I get vexed. Hey girl, and I big up your chest. I must see newspaper in a them breasts. When a busy boy girl talk up. Cause no ugliness them not fi fuck up. Cause we good body girl and got the good old talk up. When the boy you come with the John fi come park up. Hey girl, go when my body done no park up. My body ready like a Freddy and I get up on the ready like a bready spready and the spready chest ready. Body ready. Hey, you tell me what of them now. Select a wine and come again. No bad mind and time for come again. They say, whiny tiny, wine your bum bum. Whiny tiny, go back Miss Tiny. With the whiny, whiny, whiny tiny, go back Miss Tiny. With the whiny, tiny, back Miss Tiny. With the whiny, whiny, oh, back Miss Tiny. With the whiny, whiny. Oh, tiny whiny. Go back Miss Tiny. Oh, back Miss Tiny. Bogo dance, bogo dance. Do the bogo dance, bogo dance. Yo! Money make you feel good, money make you nice. Money make you feel like sugar is spice. Yo! You wanna stop me now? Ain't no stay free to box her in your face, please. Yo! You wanna stop me? Yeah, you ain't no stay free, box her in your face as a please. One girl used to live at Spanish Town near Anita. One policeman come out and say, Anita is a youth and answer, so me a doctor. And she reached down and she just box him. Power the pad, policeman gun drop a ground. The gun couldn't even shoot off. It looked like the pad of some kind of witchcraft, you know. The man couldn't do a thing than drag, go inside, go complain. The woman just boxed me with a pad. Well, Anita was a bad girl from England. I guess she was a deportee. When her face chop up like somebody chop up with machete and knife. Then chop out, she looked like Chucky, but she was still alive. So, you know, she was dangerous. Every time she looked on my bad, me used to afraid and turn back and they go next road forgot the store because I know the destruction. If somebody chop her so much time, she not dead. I mean, but I'm going to try for. After an idiot at time for run. Yes, baby. Achoo. I don't know why I told her, yes, much chop her so much time, she not dead. We're going to try fight her for. She look on my bad. I think next road got a store. I'm going to the store on the next street, honey. When she chop up all over so she not dead, I mean she's a real turbid. You think me go try? Poor me alone can't. So much people chop her when she not dead. And she still overcome them. When me go with my little self. And anytime me I eat much. You know, when me used to go right at the bakery. When they throw out the bread them. When they don't want it no more, the bread them, something wrong with the bread them, dash them out. For the garbage, we take time, take up some of them and load them up. And make one like a fire with a piece of barbed wire sitting on. Warm it up and smoke them over, like feel like them fresh and eat them. A long time I eat food and never good, but they give me strength to talk now. Yeah. Yeah, Scoochie girl, going to a Spanish Town market. Scoochie girl. Yes, it's Scoochie girl. One Scoochie, $2. Two Scoochie, $4. You want wholesale price, me can give $1 for 2 if you buy more than 12 of them. A Scoochie girl, going to a Spanish Town market. Mr. Sell Scoochie. Scoochie wants something you should cut up your ear like elastic with the cloth making. I used to make them and sell them at Spanish Town market. Yeah, I see them at Spanish Town. I go watch you go-go, them and dance. I'm going to learn for dance go-go too. You see, that's why I become a friend after me become a go-go. It wasn't a surprise, isn't it? If I used to go to school that much for it more than I go to regular school, what do you expect me to learn? It's where you send the child to school, honey. That's where the child is going to learn. Hallelujah. Somebody say amen to that. I used to go to them, man. And the ones I couldn't go in, I used to peep through the holes to make sure I learn. When I come to America to get them dollars, But you see, it was the devil dollars. It wasn't true dollars. The devil is say, yeah, you know, you think you're going to get them dollars and get away? But thank God I got away with my soul and recognize God before the devil take my soul and take me in hell. Say hallelujah to that. Bitch, you want to talk about your stress. Want to talk about I'm depressed. How can I depress when I got food, man? I got everything to do, man. But the evil like you, man, that's sending to try to come with your crew, man, to try to shut me down, man. That's why y'all talking about demons, man. That's what y'all surround, man. Y'all working with the devil, man, and wearing the devil gown, man. Yo, you see all the world is going, man. Every sign, every stop, every bus, every car. You got something on there like the devil Pentagon. That's the freaking star. Yeah, you never see what's going on in this world. They never take the lesson from the simple word that you say. They never listen. They never get it, babe. But one thing I can tell you, enjoy your life that God gives to you. When you be different, they criticize. But who are you to criticize when God give me life and give you life? And man is going to take my life and tell me how to walk in their rules and regulation and how I should look and how I should be, and I shall be pretty and I should paint it with makeup and lashes. I should look like a Barbie doll to be accepted. Who are you? You're not God. You didn't make me, but God made me. But still you all want to take God, what God make and God creation and break it and make it in the way you want to make it. Then if not, you criticize that it wasn't good enough. It wasn't good looking enough. God didn't did a good job. But when God make you all put in your contact lens, put on your makeup and your Indian hair and cover all your flaws, and then you come in here to put somebody down that God make, which is real. Now look at you and look at me. I have more wisdom than you. I'm happy more than you because I'm more educated than you through the Holy Spirit of God to tell me to be free. Because man make money so you wouldn't be free. You have all the time to work, all the time to pay for where you live, all the time to all the life to be slave until death comes. You will slave for your house, you will slave for your car, you will slave for your children to a better life and send them to college. When they left college, you would not have a good job, not a good degree, or nothing. You waste all these years doing all this crap when you're supposed to be enjoying your life, when you're supposed to be free. You're being imprisonment because you're eating the wrong food that give it a mentality that you can't be free, you can't be silly, and you can't be happy. So now when you're in imprisonment and you imprisonment your mind, don't come to me for being free. Don't come to me because I'm being free to tell me I need to be in imprisonment like you. I don't have the right to be myself and to be free in society like God had made me to be and make me special to make other people happy and to bring them out in happiness and to bring them out in joy in this world. That is what God put me on this platform for, to laugh and to be silly and to make people happy. Now, I'm not here to please the ones who are caught up in the devil worshiping shit, that they're so blind that they want me to look perfectly the way they want, the big ass and the small belly and the perky chest and the small nose, and to satisfy your integrity and satisfy what you want to see, to satisfy your insexuality. That's not my problem, how you want to be me to be. My problem is me being how God wants me to be, not the way you want me to look to satisfy what you're looking for. What you're looking for is not me and how I look. You should be looking for God, who is the one who created everything. Now, you should be glad to see people who are quite different from you, which God had made. I'm not talking about the one who pump up their ass that look like donkey 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm talking about real people that God had made. And God had made some people different faces, different look. That doesn't mean you're ugly. That's God's creation. That's what makes it beautiful. Because if everybody have this beautiful look, imagine how scared the world would be. Because no normal people look normal anymore. We want people that look how God make them. Everybody's changing to plastic surgery, getting lips, getting nose, getting eyelid done and all this stuff. Okay? If I'm the way I am with a little color, what I'm not even supposed to be wearing all this paint. But because I've shown that's what wearing, that's what you all believe in, I'll put it on for you guys sometime. Okay? And I'm wearing it. This doesn't make me beautiful than my natural self. My natural self is way beautiful than all this paint and all this lash. Because that's not how God made me. So for you to come here and try to tell me I have no right to be me and to be happy and to joke around and I'm mental or I got mental illness. The mental illness is coming from you. You are the one that's in a cage. You are so mental and so disturbed that you can't see how I'm living this life free. You can't see how I'm being happy and being positive and, can share something with people that means something to their life. You can't do it because you are the one who are depressed and mind is not open to reality, to realize not every shit you see mean that is there, not everything you heard and everything that you learned since you was born, that is true. You got to have an open mind in this world if you want to go further in this world and you want to learn things in this world, just like new technology. You got to have a new open mind. Now, remind you, if you want to be a close-minded and you feel like, oh, I hate this bitch, she annoying, I don't like the way she talks, she this, she that, that's on you because you have an issue of yourself dealing with. That's not my issue to deal with. That is your issue, your problem that you're dealing with, that you can't face yourself with. You can't come to yourself to be open and to be free and talk about stuff that you do. Might not be good, might not be bad. I don't care. I could talk about anything I do, good or bad. Because I'm only a person. I'm only here for a period of time. And life experience was here for everybody to experience life. And you can share life. Now we have the internet, we can share life. Now, when you have the internet and you can share life, you realize how beautiful God make everybody and how unique everybody is, because you see how different I am. You might see how different the next person is if they be themselves. But sometimes you can't find people who be themselves to find out who the really perfect people are anymore. Because when they come on camera, they pretend to be somebody else that they're not. They're not going to come without their wig. They're not going to come and eat like I do and be themselves and just eat out the way they eat out of when nobody see or not. They won't show it. They'll have to have a perfect cup, a perfect fork and spoon, because they live in the road that was set for them to follow. You understand? There's slavery. This is what you have to eat this way. You have to eat with this way. You can't eat with an old fork or an old plate or something. No, it must be new. You got to show off on somebody that you got a new one. That's not life. Real life, you use it what you have, and if that's what you have, and you eat it without nobody seeing you, let the world see you the way you are. Just the way you're doing. But no, some of y'all can't do that because you're afraid. No, I don't want some of these because they're going to think this about me. They're going to think that about me. I don't think what people are going to think about me. I just be myself. Because whether somebody think about me bad or good, it's not going to change anything for me. They are not the one that taking me, giving me food, cleaning me clothes. I'm still going to be here for you to criticize. And without me being here for you to criticize, nobody will notice you. So then again, you have to thank God for me to be here so someone could notice you. Because through me, you will leave a comment or say something that someone could hear your voice. Because without me, you don't have a voice for yourself. Some of y'all don't have a voice for yourself. So when I come on here and talk, you get to comment and say how ugly she is and she this and she that, and trying to get people to laugh. You're trying to get a voice, but you couldn't get it on your own. You're going to have to come to cost me and put me down to try to get someone to notice you when you cannot be noticed by yourself because you're still hiding behind the fence. You're still hiding behind it, hiding and talking with your finger. You still can't come out and be like me. So you're going to hate me. You're going to dislike me because I have something I'm not afraid. Something that you don't have. And something that I have is beautiful. I'm not afraid. And that's what makes me beautiful. I can say if there were 10 men, I can't say there were 10 men or not. I can speak my mind because God is the only one going to judge me. Because all of us come on this earth and all of us been through all our life journey and stuff. Everybody have their road that they took. Some is good and some is bad. Some we're not proud of and some that we are. But at the end of the day, we're just human beings. So at the end of the day, if I come out here and try to make everybody happy and be joyful and talk about my life, it's okay to be this way. That's how God wants you to be. And to remember him. And to tell people to remember him. And show the goodness that he could take me out of Sugar Daddy's hand. And I could smile coming back on the train. Because I didn't have to worry where my food coming from. I'm not sleeping with Sugar Daddy anymore. Sugar Daddy is not somebody I'm being with. So when I went and buy my stuff or coming on the train, I was smiling. At that time, I would be feeling very sad. And stressed all the way coming back on the train. I didn't have to do that. I was feeling happy. Once my mind crossed that, it's like it hit me like, oh my God, thank God, you're not in this situation no more. It was so bad that sometimes it damaged you that you don't realize, sometimes you keep on forget. And next time I said to myself, when I'm coming back and it hit me like, to stress about the point. And I said, oh shit, Oliver, no, you're popular now. You're making your own money now. You move. You're not with Sugar Daddy no more. You don't have to go through this no more. And that's the time, the joy that overcomes your spirit and your soul. Nobody can get that peace of mind. Because so you're not there with no Sugar Daddy and nobody cost you for getting their money and all them something. You're making your own money now. That's the gift of God, of all your crying and praying. You saw me a deal with? That's something I always want to give my goodies and tell. No matter what you're going through with a man, just take time and try put a little money together and take time to sell a little something online. Your jewelry them, your cream, or whatever you want to do. Whether you like your perfume, whatever you want to do. And take a time till you can build yourself and get away from the situation. Because a man will beat you down and hook you in the corner and beat you down. Me with his mouth, tell you anything come my mouth, have a nasty attitude for no reason at all. Just being jealous, especially if you're in the house and him have to go work and you're in the house. Hell broke loose in there. You know, him coming from work, him hot and him tired, him a cuss, why this so, why that so. If one simple little thing when even dirty or nothing, he complain and all them something they can fed up. Him don't want to see you around working, you have to go work when him go work and come in. Him feel you talk, especially if you look good and you shape as a woman. Him feel me I want to work. And you go in here and talk to some man on phone and me go and work and all them foolishness. So you go through a lot with them. You go through a lot with them. You have some good man with a mind. And when you find some brother like them, then the brother they want to end up get a good wife. Because you have some brother when go to your work. And he knows so the cat in her go on with nothing, you know. Him not going to really put her, she'll try to get something for herself. And he see that she trying, you know. Him just humble, him make buy the groceries, she alright. Him not put her through nothing. When he come for her work, you know, she come and give me like a hug up and babes and him food ready. Him not ask her, who her, a chef come to him and say, baby, you know, say, my sister they call from Jamaica today, my mother or something. Otherwise from that, she not, you know what I mean, go to him with an argument and he not go to and ask her who she that talked upon phone today and disrespect the woman. He not go to that. So you find woman, man like them, they find a woman love them more. And when a woman have them, they kind of love them. Even if it's a catty, will like go through some things before and she don't feel like she want to go out there and hustle and she kind of feel down, you know, because of what she got through and certain thing. After I start being like that with her and I show her the love and no problem, babes. She love it so much that she get up and go out there and get something for herself and get something good to after a while. She get up and she go and get something good to after a while because she love you. Because you embrace her and give her the strength and give her the confidence to get up and go again. Some woman lost their confidence completely because of man. No disrespect. I love men, don't get me wrong. Right? Because if I love man, I can bring my son come here. Right? And I try saltfish already, I never like the taste. It's too salty. You understand me? And things happen in my life. That's not how I want to live my life. That's not who I am. I'm a straightforward shooting woman. Right? But I don't pick up anybody in my life. Nobody in my life for a couple of years now, and I try to pick up anybody in my life. It got to be a God-fearing person. I really believe in God. I don't have time I go down the road with no problem people, with dopey around back of them and chase come to my life. I don't unite. Got to be a man of God. I don't look nobody, but if anybody come with God say so, I'm not afraid around when an old man come, because I done old already, and a good smarty when the time come, then so be it. Otherwise, I don't look nobody. Because if I make flesh done all up already, I'm 40 years old, and I know I seek. What I seek is happiness. I get enough beat down and put down, and what I get now is happiness. My happiness concerns me. You understand? Sometimes you're happy, and when you get in a relationship with a man, you get less happy. You're big and fat, you look rosy, you look good, and sometimes you get with a man, and next thing you know, you get maga like thread. You know, you're in love with him, you wait till you're in love with him, and then he start to act away funny. A man never acted funny with you until when you're in love with him. When him feel him get you now, him set you right now, and him have you a certain way, that him say, him sure say, yeah, that's the time when dirty colors them start to come out. And that's the time you start to feel hurt, because you never know, you know. So you have all this dirty way, but you forgive him because you're done in love with him already. And the more you forgive him, and the more shit him do every time. The more you forgive him, and the more shit him do. It's like him just taking your love for your advantage, like not know. And that's the time you have to decide, you know what? My life will never get better. My life will be dragging from years to years, month to month, year to year like this. I know we are going to life with that man here. A time for my life. A time to pack up the pieces and just leave him alone. It cannot be worked out. Because you have some man that just can't work out relationship with them and just have to left them. Them tell you 10 times so them go change. 10 times so they now put their hand by you again. And the last time, baby, will never raise my hand by you again. And then do the same thing over and over again. Take a for idiot. And some woman sit down and say, the man love me, and that's why Delroy beat me, and Delroy beat me pretty say, because Delroy love me. So when Delroy box me, I think I got dead, you know. And that's why I love him, so. I mean, that is total stupidness. If Delroy love us, you're not supposed to box you like that. Eh? If you're not box Delroy like that, you won't feel like him in love with you like that. Believe me, it's the other way around. Trust me. So, to say this and to say that, that's how it go. I'm not gonna eat now. I need to find some food. Not a man going to eat. I need to find some food. I need to work out too, you know. I need to work out because I already been a workout. And this is the time I need to work out because I'm not eating a lot of stuff. I must have fish and kale and them sit and me eat, and that's what I eat. Mango, and when I get some ice cream, get a little bit of ice cream from down at the place, the L place down there. So when I sell the ice cream with none, we call it, before them I say dirty, you know. Walk out to the living room, sometimes I play it berry before pick up dust out. Them, I don't know. I'm going to tell you wipe it. I buy some I'm hungry, man, goodie. I never know how my battery still. My battery must be dead, not true. Let me see the battery before I probably get back on it, you know. Eh? Yeah, because the battery got to get it. I get back on it, you know. You hear? You hear? I'm going to get back on with you guys. I don't want to hang up, but I feel so the battery gone way down. I'm feeling my can't tell that this battery that's dead for me and shut off completely. And I can't see from here how much battery I have. Yeah, but I love you guys. I know I'm just going to polish my natural nail and clean them, no more fake nail. I just get fed up. And my feet, them, I'll take a little while to come back the way them supposed to. But at least, you know, them clean. Clean up the side and sit in them. Yeah, the celebrity white. See, my finger white like that, and the celebrity white. Yeah. We did for 1 week, everything. And one day, and everywhere get white one time, your foot everywhere. So I love you guys. I get back on because I want to finish up the time and then the battery and then, okay? I love you guys. Alright? Yeah, I love you. And I love you too, my YouTubers. I love you guys from all over the world. God bless you and thank you for subscribing to me. Remember to go to YouTube and subscribe to me, guys. Thank you guys for the 10,000 and over subscriber. YouTube say it's a big thing. They write me like, Olivet, you know, you should celebrate. And so on. So I love you guys. And I try to get back sometime today on with you guys. I love you. And God bless you and be with you and your family. And we talk more. I need to get some food in place. And so on. And, you know, get back on with you guys. And if I'm going outside, I don't want to go out there with a dead phone. That wouldn't be good. So it's best for me to check this phone and make sure it's good before I go outside. Okay, I love you guys. See you later.